Exploring the phrase, bunkered. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, bunkered. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in conversations. Let's get started. A bunker originally referred to a fortified chamber, usually underground. It's primarily used in the military to protect people and equipment from bomb blasts. Think of it as a safe, protective space, deep below the ground, where one can hide from danger. When someone says they are bunkered, or bunkering down, it means they are preparing for a difficult or challenging situation by isolating themselves or taking precautions. It's like they are mentally or physically retreating to a safe space to avoid external pressures or troubles. For example, if someone says, "There's a big storm coming, so I'm going to bunker down at home," they mean they're going to stay safe at home until the storm passes. It's essential to understand the context where this phrase is applicable. It can be used in various situations, such as 1. Natural disasters. When someone expects a hurricane or a snowstorm, they might say, "I'm bunkered in my house with enough supplies." 2. Busy work seasons. Imagine someone who has a lot of work or studies to do. They might say, "I need to bunker down this weekend and finish my project." 3. Avoiding distractions. If a person wants to avoid any distractions or interruptions, they might say, "I'm bunkering down in my room to read this book." Like many idiomatic expressions, the context is key. Using bunkered in an inappropriate situation might confuse listeners who aren't familiar with the term. Always gauge your audience and make sure your message is clear and understandable. And there you have it. Now you know what bunkered means and how to use it appropriately. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and understanding idioms and phrases like this one enriches your vocabulary and makes conversations more colorful. We hope this video has been enlightening, and until next time, keep learning and exploring the wonders of the English language.